automotive streaming, we have been a long time no see. Today it is for the latest 911-992 installation review. Speed designed to make it special, short type and long type can be selected. The shell is made by 707.5 T6 aluminum alloy, and the bolt is made by SC M14x1.5 high-strength material. If I were the customer, the advantage of speed design will make me interested in it. The shell can protect the inner core from corrosion and damage. On the surface of the shell, we use an anode-oxidation treatment to improve the working life of the shell. The shell has two functions. First, protect the wheel bolt from corrosions and damage, and the second, meet the needs of someone different colors. For better protection of the wheels, BONOSS prepare 4 additional anti-diff wheel bolts and special sockets for customer. So which one do you like?